The back of the box has some basic phone specs like the Infinity U display, a triple camera setup, 5000 mAh battery and more. We'll get to the full specs in a bit, but for now, let's continue with the unboxing. You first see a thin box with all the paperwork. This includes the quick start guide, warranty and the region lock guide. Below that is a phone that's neatly wrapped in plastic. It has a pretty good size and form factor as we can tell from our first impressions. We'll set it to boot and remove the wrapping for a closer look. Now the back of the device is plastic but has a gradient finish. You can see the triple rear camera setup and the fingerprint scanner prominently here. We'll keep it aside and let it boot for now. Next, there's the phone charger. The data cable, that's, yes, USB Type-C. And finally, there's a SIM eject tool. So here's everything that comes bundled with the Samsung Galaxy M30. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The Galaxy M30 has a big 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. It's also an AMOLED display, which can be considered premium for this category. The phone does come with Widevine L1 certification, so you will be able to stream HD content from video streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and others. The triple rear camera on the Galaxy M30 comprises of a 13-megapixel primary sensor that's paired with a 5-megapixel depth sensor and another 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view. In the front, you get a 16-megapixel camera with a selfie focus feature. The Samsung Galaxy M30 runs on an octa-core Exynos 7904 SoC. Only here it's paired with 4GB and 6GB RAM options. Storage options include 64GB and 128GB, which is expandable to 512GB via microSD card. All this is juiced by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. Finally, the phone also runs on Samsung Experience 9.5 and has face unlock capabilities.